So here we are with the 671 set up in the mill to do the dowel holes. What I had to do there is make up a couple of packers to put on the table to lift the blower up to the centre line of the mill. What I did is laid the head over on the horizontal because the table wouldn't go down low enough on this particular mill, and I think there's a lot less mucking around doing it this way, because if you did set the blower on there vertical, you'd have to make some sort of attachment anyway to clamp it on there, because you're sitting on the end plates. So this way here I think is a lot better. But yeah, as you can see, there was just enough room in there to get a socket in there to do the bolts up. What I did is ran a dial indicator across the top of it just to bring it around either way, get it square, and made up a collet to put in the mill, so I can run a dial indicator in there just to get the hole where I want it. There's only a little bit to take out, so you don't want to be too far out. As you can see, I put a like an arrow on the front of the dial there, because if it's all good looking at it that way, but when you put it on the other side, if you don't want to walk around there, you can use a mirror. Get that reflection out of it so you can see it. And it's there, but yeah, there it is there. A bit hard to see because it's that much reflection in the light. But yeah, that just makes it a bit easier. You don't have to walk around the other side, and you can actually keep the mirror under there and follow the dial around anyway till you get to the other side. But yeah, with a mirror it's all backwards, so you're not sometimes perfectly sure whether you're on the plus or the minus. So if you put an arrow there, where you know which way the dial's going. Anyway, next thing to do is to put the end mill in and run the end mill through that hole and just clean it out. So I'll put it on pause, set up the end mill, and I'll be back in a sec. Alright, ready to go. So what we'll do there is that's the stop for the quill. I'm not going to wind that right up. I just looked at that, that's a couple of mil above it, so we'll go to 28. I did put a little scratch mark on it there. With a pen, didn't work too good, but there's a mark. So we'll start that up. And away we go. So I give that a squirt of power lube there, just for a bit of lubrication. Aluminium's a bit of a pig for binding up on cutters and whatever. So they're coming up to the mark now, so I'll just go to 30. Well, it's 32 deep anyway, so that's done the job. Table out of the way, and then I'll just see if I can get a look inside that hole. Good like a black hole of cow cutter in there. Anyway, it's taken swarf out of it, so anyway, that's I've already done the other side. What I'll do is end for end all that blocks now, after the end for end of the blocks, because as anybody would know, the bolt holes are staggered, and I didn't worry about drilling another set of holes in. I'll just turn the blocks around and clamp it down again. Got it set up square anyway, but that's worked a treat. Anyway, that's about it for now.